Every time I face anxiety, rejection, or self-doubt, I remind myself that my pain has a purpose. The strongest people aren't born that way, they're forged through fire. What feels like a setback now is secretly training me for a comeback. I don't need to chase perfection. Even the smallest victories, like getting out of bed on a tough day or trying again after a failure, are steps forward worth celebrating. I'm not alone in this fight. Everyone has battles hidden beneath the surface. Reaching out to a friend or journaling can make a world of difference. The effort I invest in my mental health today, whether it's therapy, affirmations, or setting boundaries, will pay off tomorrow. One day, I'll look back and see how far I've come. When I feel overwhelmed, I whisper to myself, "This is temporary. I am becoming." Mental health isn't about constant happiness. It's about knowing I can handle whatever life throws at me. I will keep going.